Hi folks, Jason Taylor here from Taylor AutoMall to talk to you about all that is happening at the dealership for the month of April. With spring in the air, this is the time many of our customers shop, buy, and take advantage of all the incentives and offers that are available to be had. It's also a time for you to give your vehicle some love and attention in terms of routine maintenance. In our sales department, for April, General Motors has announced the Spring into Action headline offer, where you can get finance rates as low as 0.99% for up to 72 months. Of course, we also have very competitive rates and payments for those who prefer to lease their vehicles. As many of you know, there's been inventory shortages across the industry for over a year, but we are now starting to see it open up a bit, and more inventory is arriving on a daily basis. So don't let the fact that our lot is not full deter you from coming in and talking to one of our experienced sales consultants, so we can order and reserve your new vehicle today and lock in those low rates. And one sales incentive that I want to mention yet again is the Heroes Rebate Program, as we have had so much positive feedback and so many sales from this offer. Up to $1,000 can be used in addition to any and all other incentives that you may qualify for towards the purchase, finance, or lease of an eligible new Chevrolet, Buick, GMC, or Cadillac. This offer is only for qualifying Canadian Forces personnel, first responders, and professional healthcare workers. We have an exciting event in our Certified Service Department this month where you can win, and a charity of your choice can win too. It's simple. If you visit our service department this month and spend $250 before taxes on any repairs, parts, or maintenance, you will automatically have your name put in a draw to win $1,000. In addition to the winner receiving $1,000, we will then make a charitable donation of $1,000 in that winner's name to a charity of his or her choice. How great is that? The draw will be held May 2nd, and I look forward to congratulating our winner. As always, there's lots going on at Taylor AutoMall this spring, where we sell brand new Chevrolets, Buicks, GMCs, and Cadillacs. We also have a certified pre-owned department that has over 100 pre-owned cars, trucks, and SUVs ready for sale right now. And don't forget that we are your exclusive Air Miles dealer, where you can earn Air Miles reward miles with every purchase, be that for sales, service, parts, or accessories. For more information and all things Taylor AutoMall, please visit our website, taylorautomall.com. You can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube, where you'll find lots of fun, informative content. We also have a dedicated Cadillac website, so visit taylorcadillac.ca for everything Cadillac related. As I've done a couple times in the past, I want to leave you with a short video produced by GM that focuses on the all-new Hummer EV that will be arriving soon. It is really fantastic. I'd like to thank you for your time, and I hope you have a wonderful month of April.
We are on the cusp of completely changing the world. It's just true in my mind. I am all in to make this company what we know it can be.
We are reinventing the way we do vehicles.
Our CEO said, hey, we're gonna go do an electric truck.
That's just the coolest thing in the world.
The Hummer EV really represents the best of General Motors.
We wanted to make a big statement.
Our challenge was to really change the paradigm of what Hummer was.
Normally a vehicle program with any manufacturer takes around 4 years. We were asked to do it in just over 2.
That's a steep climb.
We're not where we need to be.
Find a problem, fix it. Find a problem, fix it.
You don't have time to second guess, so if it felt right, go do it.
To get to the stadium that we're at right now is unprecedented.
We have to really be creative and think different.
We're here to break things this week.
That underbody camera is awesome.
This is like effortless.
The whole truck, it unleashed everything that we knew could be possible.
If we don't change, we won't be here.
You are now the model of every program that comes after us. This doesn't happen without everything you all did.
Hummer is just a little bit of insight of what's to come.
This is the most exciting time because really this is a once-in-a-generation transformation.
This is going to change the landscape of automobiles.